I clearly remember my first moment in Leeds when I came 7 years ago. I have had this fascinating idea of documenting the city, but I don't know how, where, and when to do it until last night. Leeds, an urban area from 2012, a built-up area, city and metropolitan borough, metropolitan county of West Yorkshire, historic county of Yorkshire, northern England. It lies along the River Aire, about 30 miles northeast of Manchester, largest city in Yorkshire, one of the Britain's major culture centres. Whenever I go around Leeds, I am constantly looking at the street and thinking there are beautiful places and fascinating background to capture. But most of it is very hard to do so without the right equipment with you. And most of the time, I don't carry the right equipment with me. And it is very difficult task to do.
Hello!
Can I get in a photo?
People of Leeds or people of Yorkshire, you can call it. They have got this attitude, more than friendly, sometimes almost rude dryness sinks into them. They are just a bit different from the people in the southern. Don't get me wrong, people here are nice, and right now things are far more better than they used to be a decade ago. The country or the city is safe and secure. Leeds originated as an Anglo-Saxon township on the north bank of Aire. In the modern city, factories are concentrated mainly in the southern and eastern areas, where engineering and electronic printing and publishing. The West Yorkshire Playhouse, established in 1990, is home to the Quarry and the Courtyard Theatres. Museum of note in Leeds, including Leeds City Museum, the Thackeray Medical Museum, and the Royal Army Museums. Leeds had 3 universities: the University of Leeds in 1904, the Metropolitan University in 1970, finally Leeds Trinity University, granted university status in 2012 following its amalgamation in 1980 as Leeds Trinity, also not from 2 institutions founded in 1966. This video is not just about Leeds City. It has an element of the low lighting situation techniques and how you can get an advantage and how you can get advantage of the street light. You can see it from behind me here. There is a soft light that I can use to my advantage if I need to.